Let's get started. First, open the Epic Games launcher. Go to your library. Locate Fortnite. Click on the three dots next to the game. Scroll down and select Manage. Under the Installation section, click Open Install Location. This will open the Fortnite installation folder. Open the following folders one by one: Fortnite game, then Binaries, then Win64, and finally, Easy Anti-Cheat. Inside this folder, locate the Easy Anti-Cheat executable file. Right-click the Easy Anti-Cheat executable. If you're using Windows 11, select Show More Options, then click Create Shortcut. If the shortcut is automatically created on your desktop, simply drag it back into the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Make sure the shortcut is located inside the same folder as the original file. Now right-click the newly created shortcut and select Properties. Locate the Target field. Click inside the target box and move the cursor all the way to the end of the text. Press the spacebar once, then add Repair. Press the spacebar one more time after it. Make sure it is added exactly as shown. Now click Apply, and then OK. Double-click the shortcut you just modified. If Windows displays an administrator prompt, click Yes. Allow Easy Anti-Cheat to repair its installation. Wait for the process to complete. Once the repair is finished, launch Fortnite again. The game should now start normally without showing the Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed error.